That background music is Lauren's computer in there.
Can you look over at Grandma?
Hey, Cameron.
Can you look at Grandma? Can
Hey,
you look at Grandma?
Cameron.
Let me see that thing just a minute.
Choose a song.
Can you look at Grandma? Look at Grandma.
Cameron.
Look at Grandma. You
Cameron.
want to look at this one. So you give it to me and take it away from me.
Stand up and let me see how pretty you look in that pretty dress. Stand up for me, Lauren. I want to see your outfit. That is so pretty.
Tell me what you want to do.
I don't want to adoption pay.
You want to do what now?
My adoption pay.
Do your adoption thing. How do you do it?
Oh, yeah.
Secret password.
Oh, you have to do it on the computer. Is that what you're talking about?
When she said Merry Christmas, and she might do it.
Okay.
So Merry Christmas.
Say it loud enough. I couldn't. That was kind of mumbling like.
What?
Merry Christmas.
Oh!
Merry Christmas.
I don't think that little girl can talk plain. She
Merry
got. She
Christmas.
Thank you.
It's all right.
It's okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's alright. Oh, it's alright. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Yeah. You talking to Grandma? You talking to Grandma? Yeah, she's talking. You're just talking. You telling secrets? You telling some secrets? Yeah, she's just talking. Yeah. Hey. 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 Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. What's that boy doing? Huh? What's he doing? What's that Cameron doing? Huh? What's he doing? What's he doing? Yeah. He's just talking up a storm. He's just talking up a storm. What you talking about? Hmm? What you talking about? You talking about Mama? Hmm? You talking about Mama? Yeah. Yeah. Is he happy? Is he happy boy? Yeah. He's a happy boy. Yeah. Hey, darling. Hey, sweet boy. Hey. Purr, purr, purr. Hey. Hey, darling. Hey. Hmm? What you talking about? Huh? What you talking about? Telling secrets? Huh? You telling Granddaddy some secrets? Yeah, she's telling Granddaddy secrets. He's telling Granddaddy some secrets, yeah. Yeah. He's a sweet boy. He's a sweet boy. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. He's a sweet boy. Yeah.
I'll change your parent. Alright, go hit the back button.
Hey, Granddaddy. Hey, Granddaddy. You're going to have to talk to him, make him he'll laugh.
Right now?
Hey, sweetheart. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you a big boy?
Oh, that's something Grandma Judy had to do with it.
Are you a big boy? Huh?
She does.
Boy.
I did this one.
Okay, well.
Hey. Where's Granddaddy, huh?
Brush out hair, brush not included.
What is he, huh?
I
How'd you like that little prayer doll?
Oh, it was
Wasn't
so
that cute? That was, and the
She's got-
batteries go in that one too. Those
She's
same
got it
batteries.
in her own bed.
How do we do that?
Hey, hey, boy.
There you go.
What you doing? What's he doing, huh?
Probably go there.
What are you doing?
It's okay.
You should create some station with her.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? You want to get up? You want to get up? You want a what? A tricycle? No. Ain't time for no tricycle yet. Ain't time. You got to exercise these legs.
You
right
gotta
there.
hear the rustle of the mane first.
What do you hear? What? You really mean that? You hear that? So what in the world? So what in the world?